ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the code. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline.
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you.
How's it going, everybody? How's it going? How's your weekend? ASI Fly, what's up? Real Torn. Love number 6. Let's go. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. What's up, Michael? Krikis Lowski. Felipe So, what's up? Boy, Pablo. Yo, what's going on, man? Bullet. Well, let's rock and roll. Let's go. Jason Steep here in the house. What's up, man? Driving to get some coffee. Let's go. Guys, I'm going to have to go grab a coffee myself as well, I think. Hold on one sec. I think, let me just how's it going? Daily day trades. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Ali Saeed. Yo. Okay. Wow. It's a pretty interesting day. Right, guys? So let's just try to recap what happened last week on Friday, right? Because I think it's kind of very important to understand where we sit here today. We had a pretty hawkish Fed came out last week on Friday and really talk about how they're really putting a lot of emphasis right into that 2% inflation story. So they've got a target at 2%. So what does that mean is we still have a pretty sticky inflation, and that the market is kind of pricing in much higher September rate hike, right? I think they're well over 50%. It was 30, pretty much 30% right about a month ago. And right here, we're sitting at over 50%. So I may be wrong. It could be a little bit higher, but I think give or take, I would say 50% or above, right? So, and the yield obviously sitting at about 4.5% too, give or take. So, I mean, the market ended up pulling back pretty hard on Friday. It wasn't Friday, did we? It wasn't Friday. Yeah. So we had a nice little pump to the upside, and then we obviously gave everything back. As we were kind of in a mode, we all like to call it, do not fight the Fed, right? So we were in that sort of a momentum that drove this market down all the way into the 436.29. And then we're getting a little bounce right now. I don't know how much of a juice we have here. Maybe we try to get a bounce back to the VWAP. And is this going to be the short-term bottom? Ooh, it's going to be hard to say. Short-term bottom, I don't know. I'm not quite there in that camp. But hopefully the pullbacks hopefully is behind us. But again, if September rate hike would mean... hold on one second, guys. Okay, so where we were at Basel trades, just remember that there's a target for the last day of the month. And Tuesday, there'll be a new price action. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, Bowser's right. I forgot that this is still in the month of August. I absolutely forgot. So we still have tomorrow to end the month, right? So yeah, that's right. Yeah, I didn't realize it's still in the month of August, guys. We have another 1 day to go for the August to be over. So hey, one more day. I think things could change. 1 second. What am I drinking? 1 second. Donna H, what's going on? All right. What was I saying, guys? I'm getting interruptions. distractions here. So yeah, the month isn't over yet. We still have another day, which obviously I did not realize. I thought we were in September, but I guess not. Hey, the weekend mode, right? We're still out of weekend mode, everybody. Did your NT roll over or something? I don't think so. Just refresh your chart. I think you should be back to normal, Kid Parker. Ninja of Sadness here in the house as well. Good afternoon. So that's where we are, right? So we still have another day, and the market did not like, obviously, what they heard on Friday from the Fed. So, and that was Jackson Hole on Friday, right? So the market looking bearish. We still have another day to finish the month. So I don't know if this is going to be a start of a bounce, or are we going to have to watch this market, guys? Maybe on the first 5 minutes to 10 minutes, I think we'll figure out the direction of this market. I think hopefully that's what it's gonna be. And how many minutes do we have to find out? We have just about 5 minutes or less to find out where this market is gonna take us, guys. So it is a battle, right? It is a battle definitely against a pretty hawkish Fed on Friday that really dumped the market, or is it going to be and that's sort of an Nvidia, beautiful earnings, beautiful guidance. Everything was just super duper great about the earnings. We have a pretty strong corporate earnings across the board, across the companies, and the AI story. As much as a lot of people still think it's a big, massive bubble that is about to bust, the AI story still isn't over yet. So we have this AI story versus the hawkish Fed that is kind of building under the surface. We'll find out who is going to win this battle, guys. We'll find out, guys. And today could be the day to find out. Look for that clues on where the direction of this market is going to be. We still have one more day to finish the month, so I think it is going to be an interesting day tonight. Hopefully the Globex Asia is going to start to move. Honestly, it doesn't really matter which direction it goes. I mean, we are looking for good trades, and coming here tonight, I'm kind of thinking maybe we have a little more juice to the downside. We may try to retest the low, but we'll see. I mean, last week on Friday, it would have been better if we kind of got back above the VWAP, but the market did not find a way to get a bounce. So it's right. If I have to say, I'm a little neutral to bear. Okay. So coming to this market, guys, first 5 minutes, let's try to stay on the sideline, kind of watch this market. It is going to be very interesting, guys. Good luck if you guys are trading it tonight. Team Showbell. Oh, Team Showbell. Sean Bell, Michelle, what's up, man? Yeah, long time, brother. Long time. Haven't seen you in a while. Oh, I haven't seen you in a while. Seen you in a whale. Trading Blue Sky at the moment, brother. Blue Sky. Seems like all the firms are pushing for daylight accounts. I would not want to be too overly excited with the daily pay accounts, to be honest. I just kind of feel like overall, from the grand scheme of things, for me, and we are going to talk about this a little bit more as we kind of progress into the day. But from a statistics standpoint, I just kind of feel like accounts that's going to pay you within 2-3 days, I would have probably, cautiously, I like to say that I've done a lot better on accounts that was 2 to 3 days of payout, I think. And I've also done a better job in managing my evals that were kind of 2 to 3 days to pass. Or even if it's 3 or 5 days to pass, it's okay. So what does that mean? What does that mean, guys? I'm going to leave that to you guys to find out. Which obviously I think maybe the take profit trade is a bit of an exception, but I'll leave that to you. Okay, in the meantime, guys, wow. So I heard that Lucid is back with the 40%. Let's go. All right, fellow traders, welcome everybody. Welcome. Oh, by the way, I've got to get something going here with the. Did Onyx change the way the platform actually looks? It's kind of weird. I'm not able to log into my Onyx. Weird. All right, guys, we got the market is open, guys. Well, let's go.
Order submit. Order filled.
Oh, what?
Order filled.
Order
What that?
submitted.
Oh,
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
what was that?
Order canceled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have no idea, guys. I don't know. Something happened, so I'm out. Anyways, let's forget. I'm out. I'm out, so it's okay, guys. It's okay. Nothing happened. We're all okay, guys. We're all okay. Calm down, everybody. We're all doing okay right now. We all safe. I think we all safe, guys. Oh my god. That was fun. I like it. I like it. Yo. A beautiful Sunday afternoon, guys. You know, every time, I'll tell you what something though. Every time we get to the weekend and we get to the Sunday night, I kind of feel like I'm on a very rusty mode. Right? Put it that way. I don't know how to explain that, but you know what I mean? Chill, Tiger. I don't know. You know, when you are, I don't know, 2 days makes a huge difference, right? You're over the weekend. You got 2 days of no trading. And if you're kind of like slow down on Friday as well, it's 2.5 days away from the charts, literally. Right? You're kind of away from the rhythm too. And you know, you have that bit of a volatility when you come on a Sunday night, right? On a Sunday night, you see that volatility and you're kind of away from the market for about 2 days. You know, it's things can get pretty weird at times, right? And also on top of that, let's not forget, you get a little bit overexcited coming into the Sunday night as well. And this, we're not gonna lie, we all do the same. Whether it's me or you, we all feel the same. We come on a Sunday night with a lot of expectation that the market's gonna start to move. The market is open, and we want to get back into trading mode that we missed for the 2 days. And we are stoked. And that ends up losing some accounts too. I think so, yeah. So it's always kind of nice to kind of stay away. And I keep saying this over and over again, guys. Guys, 1 second.
Order submitted.
Oh, I missed that trade, guys. I missed that trade. I would have got into that really nicely. Yeah, and I keep saying, stay away from the market for the first 5-10 minutes of the day. And it's like, I am right in to that trade without even me knowing. Incredible. Why am I already up? Because I am up. Because I'm the champion. Because I am the champion, guys. Sunday night champion. Globex champion here. Right here in the house, everybody. Let's go. Just kidding. Alright, StockTiger, man. Do not get too excited now. The market is opened. It's not even cash. It's only Globex on a Sunday night. And it's 4 minutes past as well. Incredible, StockTiger. You are the man. All right, guys. Wow. Hey, we are getting volatility here, right? We just remember we were at high 540. We're down to 545, guys. What does that mean? That's almost 90% of volatility that we got right at the open, guys. If somebody's gonna say Globex is absolutely no bueno anymore, guess what you got, guys? You got 90 points moving in the market. That is beautiful, right? Beautiful. The best code in the market. Let's go. Code Tiger. Thank you guys for your support to the channel, man. I appreciate it, guys. The last thing I want to see, not just myself, but everybody else, is the loading accounts because you're pissed, because you're angry, because you're getting to a lot of bad trades, and you start to load in accounts. That is the worst thing that can ever happen to you as a prop firm trader. I'm going to warn you right now, do not do that. Okay, fellow traders, guys, we're into the 467. Let's go. Yeah, Mustafa, yeah, loading accounts, that's right. Yeah, buying accounts, yeah. Mustafa here in the house. What's up, man? Mustafa, where do you live? Do you live in the States? Oh, where do you live? I think Mustafa is from Brazil, if I'm not wrong. I think. I could be wrong, though. Natural energy here in the house, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to go back trading with the Fundy Futures Network, but I'm having trouble logging in. I don't know what the heck is going on, guys. Trying to figure out what is causing this. Let's see. Maybe I should be able to log in. I'm not sure. Find out. Okay, so the market is kind of chopping here, guys. We dipped underneath. Well, we did not dip. Well, we could not break above the 545. So we ended up pulling back down to 455. We're kind of chopping here in the range. Don't forget. Hold on. Maybe I should be able to get in. Let's take a look. Yeah, Onyx has changed. I don't know. Yeah, I've got a few buffer accounts, just and right buffer, and a few buffer and few evals with Blue Sky. And I've got to trade my pro accounts. I haven't done that, so we'll try to see if I can trade those pros. Yeah, I've got 5 pros. Maybe I should. Well, yeah, I don't want to touch the pro right now, guys. That would be the worst thing. Where should we trade? Maybe try the pro right now. Maybe. Maybe we should try. One
Order
second.
canceled.
This market seems like it wants to break it down. Maybe try to retest 420 area, guys, before we start to get any sort of a meaningful bounce. Maybe we're trying to pull back into the 29,300s as well. And that would be the next level on watch, right? Just in case we end up pulling back here. We can't hold this 420, 430 area. Then I probably see ourselves pull back into the 300s. Bare minimum. That would be the level I'm kind of watching if we end up getting a rejection of this level, guys. And that is going to be an interesting spot. So far, we are looking weak. So let's try to watch this market, guys. We only 10 minutes past. So let's maybe might as well wait for another 5-10 minutes. Right? 5-10 minutes. The gold is getting a bounce. Wow, look at the gold, guys. What a slingshot bounce that we have on the gold. 44.70 all the way into 45. Wow, man. Crazy, man. That's a beautiful 5 points pullback. Oh, sorry, 50 points. That's crazy. Yep, I think the 25Ks are good. Not that other accounts are not good, but I mean, just kind of feels like, I mean, uh, it's gonna feel different every month, right? I mean, for now, in the last at least 40 days, I've been banking pretty nicely with the 25s, right? So if you're gonna ask me what's the worst account to get a payout, at least for me, or with Take Profit Trader, so far, I mean, I'm not saying it's worse, but I mean, the least would be the 150s, to be honest. Still, from a stat standpoint, I think the 50Ks probably paid me the most overall from the start of this year. But at least if you want to compare that from the last 2 months, I would definitely say the 25s, right? I mean, that $1,500 of drawdown on the 25K account makes definitely a huge difference. So I honestly, the 100Ks are, I don't know. I mean, you're only getting an extra $500 drawdown when you compare that with the 50K, but yet you gotta have to make $2,000 more. I mean, at least just really think about it, guys. I mean, the risk reward with the 25s with Take Profit Trader, it's 1-to-1, right? The ratio. So you have to make $1,500 to, right? And your drawdown is 15, so it's 1-to-1. I think, yeah, I just kind of feel like the 150s and 25s maybe making more sense. The 25Ks are there to kind of fuel, and support the 150s, which are obviously the bigger accounts. Anyways, coming back in the market, guys. Oh, what am I looking at? I'm looking at the gold. I thought this is NQ. I'm absolutely... Guys, man, I am tempted to short this, but I kind of feel like I'm really, really stepping in here at a very demand zone. We're right here, guys. That's the low of the week, 440, guys. I wish I entered a little bit sooner on my pro account. It is going to be difficult for me to enter here right now. Hold on one sec. Real estate Vancouver cannot trade the 25s. Oh, sorry. Too many contracts like the way StockTiger does. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Only StockTiger is able to do that. Let's go. Guys, this is exactly what I was talking about. I find it difficult to try to get... Oh, man. Look at that bounce, guys. Oh, man, what a bounce there. What a bounce at 468. I'm a little tempted to try to short this, to be honest. But, I mean, I'm going to have to stay a little patient, guys. Let's slay this market, everybody. Let's slay it like never before. Trade C is not working. Too much traders trading right now with Trade C. What's going on with Trade C? What is up with it? What is up with it, everyone? Guys, man, how's your weekend, everybody? While this market is trying to figure out what it wants to do, how's everybody doing today? And how was your weekend? What did you guys do? Build your own NG, deal with their crap. Sung adieu. Short, this could support 120 against, it's my guess for now. Large gap on a 50 minutes chart. Gold non-stop. Gold is still going. Oh, let me just take a look at the gold. Well, yeah, I mean, we're finding a little bit of resistance here. So let's see. Are we going to go straight to the moon? Well, we'll find out. Let's take a look at the crude oil. Wow. Crude oil found a way to get a bounce like crazy. Like never before, guys. Even after Venezuela news that we had over the weekend. It did not pull back. What the heck was that, everybody? Yeah, so 25K, you're right. You blow, you can get another one pretty quickly. That's right. But you can also just remember that you can only have 10 funded accounts in that 30 days. So maybe you need to size up like StockTiger. Let's go. Well, I don't know. Venezuela deal will take longer. Oh, I see. Maybe it's not a reflection now because it's only going to be probably, I would say, about, I don't know how many years. Maybe it's probably in 5 years before it's going to be in the market, right? So where do I get my news? Everywhere. YouTube, Financial Juice, Korean news, and that's it. That's really what it is. And I also use investing.com too, and and my own brokerage as well. I get notifications. So, getting news is there's just so many places you can get a news, right? So, some of the notifications that I get, I even do I don't even I put them on hide because I don't want notification from a whole bunch of brokers. So I only have a few handful right now, probably about 4 or 5, and that's it. Okay, guys, now it's already 16 minutes past the Globex, guys, and the market obviously found a bit of a footing here at 446. It's getting a little bounce, guys. And let's see if we try to hold this. I think we could move pretty quickly here in either direction, so gotta watch out. If we're gonna try to go long here, if we end up pulling back into the 446, the account could be blown pretty quickly, so gotta be a little careful, guys. Interesting how we found a bottom here. Well, I don't know if that's a bottom, but we found a bit of a footing here off that 440s. Kind of makes me feel like maybe a short-term bottom, maybe in. We'll find out. Let's see if we try to retest the low. Usually, you have a couple more attempts to try to retest. I don't think that one little bounce is going to be that bottom. So we've got a bit of a we tried to retest that last week on Friday too. We obviously ended up getting a bit of a bounce, and today as well, guys, we hit that into the 446. And we got a bit of a bounce as well. So let's see if we try to hold this and we just keep grinding here to the upside. We'll be okay. I'll be okay with that. I'm looking for some clues myself right now. So, I'm okay with this as well here, Or we end up breaking down, guys. This is going to be a huge level, 430, right? If we break underneath that and we can't hold, you'll probably see ourselves pull back all the way down to 300, and that's about 100 points. So, so we've got to hold this level, guys. This is going to be huge, massive, monster, right? How you guys making out in the month of August, guys? Everybody doing really well this month? We only have one more day, so I guess the month is over. I think the month is over, so All right, guys, we are getting a bounce for now, guys, right into the VWAP 486. Nice little bounce, guys. Now I'm wishing that I wish I went long. Well, too bad, guys. StockTiger, you missed that move. Nice of you to stay patient here today. Gaming with Frisky, I am feeling so tempted. I'll be honest, I'm feeling very tempted. I just kind of feel like I missed out on that trade to the downside. And I kind of feel like I missed out on that trade to the upside as well, guys, on both direction. And if I try to short this now, guess what? We may try to hit the high here today. It is going to be an interesting one, guys. Good luck. Be careful, guys, if you're trading here tonight. I'm trying to step in with the live with the pro account, but maybe that could be a little mistake. All right, let's find out here. Right back here into the 490. All right, I'm going to try to short this on a little pop, guys. 508. Song Adu, what's up? Cherry Flames, what's going on, brother? Let's get it, guys. Slay this market once and for all. Once and for all, everybody. Yeah, I am. Yeah, I guess I'm a little patient.
Order submitted.
All right, guys. This looks a little heavy here. I'll be honest. It looks a little heavy on a longer time frame. So kind of expect to see maybe, I guess, I mean, a pullback. But I mean, again, we're not getting any directional move. Just because, you know, we had a 50 points bounce here, that doesn't mean that we are going to be clear to just keep pushing here to the upside. But maybe I'm going to be looking for, let's say, a quick little dump into the 470s, and maybe that get filled, and try to see if we can get a bounce into the 500s. But I guess it's going to go now without me. That's going to be pretty bad. But I mean, well, it is what it is sometimes. I mean, lately, a lot of my trades are done like during the live streams. I mean, very less of trading off stream lately. It's been a bit of a, yeah. I took a $200 payout on Friday from Take Profit Trader, which I ended up requesting that on Friday itself, a Friday night. And that was that $200 I made on Friday during the stream in the morning. So all right, fellow traders, let's go ahead and do something here a little more exciting. Hold on, let me just see if I'm actually getting access to my chart. Oh man, I just still can't. You've got to be kidding, guys. That is so weird.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline
Okay, so we are right back here, guys. Pulling back into the 470s. Let's see if we, continue rolling over down. It could be an interesting day.
Filled.
Oh, my auto got filled, guys. My auto got filled. My order just got filled, everybody. So get a rejection here, or do we get a bit of a bounce, guys? Right back into the VWAP. Oh, Tracy is having some issues. I think, okay, so Onyx is probably having the same sort of an issue right now, I guess. Yeah, Onyx is also having a same issue, I think. Onyx is also having the same issue, I think. 'Cause I can't get into my Onyx. So, I don't know. It is a tricky area, guys. Good luck. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Or 77s. So far, we are sitting at 477. I entered long here from that 477. And there is definitely that chance of a pullback here as well. D-Tank, what's going on? Ninja is also acting weird. Okay, so I guess everything is kind of acting weird. With an exception, Tradebait. Tradebait is acting like a hero here tonight, while everything else is kind of being grumpy. Tradebait is the only one that's kind of working. So, hey, even my Onyx is not working, so... Did I move my order? What do you mean I moved my order? I'm not sure what you're talking about. It is a little slow. And you know what? Slow is fine. As long as I know it's going to be slow. Because I am maybe thinking about micro scalping NQ with maybe 2-3 mini contracts. And I'm getting a lot of mosquito bites. So again, micro scalping is good if the market is going to chop, right? Sometimes, you put yourself in a very difficult spot, just like the way I did last week I think on Thursday night, where I thought it's going to chop. And guess what? The market found a way to really flush down, and I ended up getting caught on the wrong side, and it was a pretty nasty looking P&L. But of course, we obviously also ended up finding a way to get out of that trouble and be back in green. So, but I don't want to put in the same spot here today. So let's see. I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind this thing chopping here, right? I wouldn't mind. the market doing this all night. As long as I know this is what it's gonna be, right? I don't want this thing to kind of chop, and the next thing you know what I mean? Next thing you know, it does this. And usually it does that as we get closer and closer into Tokyo. So you scalp for 6 ticks. Oh, I haven't been trading on a ticks charts in a while, so I don't know. But I would say I'm looking for that 5 to 7 points, right? 5 to 7 points is what I'm looking for. Usually when I'm looking for the micro scalping. So right now I could have entered on the little pullback that we had and kind of take my profits right here at 478. We have mosquitoes here. All right, let's look at the chat. If we close the 5 minutes below 470, you're looking to short this. Yeah, that's right. I agree. You know, we could dip just a little more to take everybody out, and the next thing you know, ends up getting a bounce. So I am kind of being a little bit cautious here, not trying to go add to the long side because we may have a little more room to the downside. So I'm trying to leave my ammunition on the sideline for now until I really need it, because we can still make a couple $100 if we end up getting a bounce back into the VWAP, right? This could be back like literally $150 to $200. So it is possible. Yeah, these mosquitoes are annoying, and they're so they're so huge too. It's a lot of bugs. Lots of bugs in Canada. I don't know about Vancouver though. Maybe real estate Vancouver can let us know. You don't? Oh, yeah, that's good. Good for you, brother. You are the man. All right, let's look for, I don't know where it's gonna go. So far, looks like it's trying to break it down. But again, as long as we hold this, like what somebody mentioned, 470s, I think we should be golden. There's also a wick at 297. What do you mean? Search and sell. 705. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not. Well, I guess I'm not panicked because this is just a launch account eval. But I mean,
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Still, it's gonna matter. So maybe look for a pullback into four. I don't know. We're down to 466, guys. 466 where we at the moment. I'll try to see if I can hold this, guys. Oh my god, look at that, guys. What a nasty look at Cheeto. Wow. I hate when this happens, guys. We're rolling over down. Let's try to see if we hold this, guys.
Order submitted.
Let's look for a Chipotle bounce here. Man, it's barely holding, guys. Barely holding. That's all I can say right now. Barely holding. I wish I can just get out of this trade, to be honest, but boy. Dump it here right now.
Order submitted.
$455, guys. We've got to hold this area. We've got to hold this. Ah. What the pagla? Guys, where's my order? I can't see my order. Hello. There we go. What happened there, guys? Incredible. Guys, man, this feels like a bear flag here to me, but I'm looking for a little bounce, guys. Anybody trading live account? Try to push this market back up again. This is not looking good right now. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you can. If you guys are enjoying what you guys see, and if you guys want to support the channel, go ahead and smack the like, everyone. Thank you so much for doing that. Really appreciate it, guys. Truly means the world. Thank you. Oh my god, look at this effort, man. Look at this, guys. Wow, what a dumper. Incredible, guys. Incredible. StockTiger, man. Absolutely getting destroyed right here.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
Full porting
Order
right now.
canceled.
I don't know what's it gonna be though. I did say I'm never going to full port, by the way, so it just kind of feels like I've done something not the kind of a thing that I wanted to do, that I shouldn't do. Well, I'm not liking what I'm doing at the moment, to be honest.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order
Yeah,
canceled.
I'm not happy, but
Order cancelled. Order submitted.
not happy with what I
Order
did, I'll be honest.
Order submitted.
Something I'm trying to avoid doing. I'm trying to avoid doing stuff like that. DCA works until it works, but again, it depends on where you're entering to. Okay, so here the market
Order
trying to see if we
Order
hold this,
submitted.
guys. The 432 was the bottom. We are grinding down. I'm looking for that little bounce, guys. Maybe back here into the 460s. Looking for the quick bounce, guys. I don't know if I'm going to be getting that. Remember, the VWAP's right at about 480, and we got an instant rejection off the VWAP, by the way. Yeah, I'm trying to understand the reason why the crude oil would get a bounce right? We had a pretty interesting, what do you call this, message that came out from Iran over the weekend. Oh, I see. Was there actually an attack on Iran over the weekend? I heard there was an attack, guys. I don't know exactly what it was, but I heard there was an attack. Is that true? Let's take a look at the financial juice here, guys, for a moment and try to figure out if there was an actual attack. So I am able to hold this a little bit longer just in case we end up pulling back further deeper. So I don't think there was an attack. I don't see anything that says there was an attack on the financial juice right now. Iran is targeting U.S. forces in Jordan. Oh, okay. So guys, there was an attack over the weekend, guys. Over the weekend. So I think U.S. hit one of the islands in Iran, and Iran is trying to target a U.S. base in Jordan. Okay, so that could have been the catalyst to try to move the oil higher tonight, right? What do you guys think? What a crazy weekend. I didn't know that we had so much of news that came out over the weekend, guys. We are getting a little bounce, guys. I'm looking for the target into the 460 here, guys. I want to be back to green here if I can. Let's see if we get it, guys, right here. I'm hopeful. And then we are right here, guys. We're back here. Man, I should have taken my profits off that 450 or what now, guys. So what does that mean? The crude oil, take a look at the crude oil, guys. The crude oil is getting a bounce right off that low. We had a beautiful bounce, but what the heck is going on? 1 minute chart. Let's go back here. Oh, guys, we had a bounce and we are kind of pulling back here. So we had a bounce off the $83. So we had a $3 bounce, and then we're kind of pulling back a little bit, but this almost does not feel like a bearish pullback that's going to try to fill the gap to the downside. Just quite not there yet, okay? So we'll keep crude oil on watch, right? So Iran is trying to retaliate back to Jordan, U.S. base in Jordan, okay? So that could be a catalyst to try to get another leg here to the upside on the crude oil. In the meantime, the gold is trying to get a bounce maybe. Yes, so we ended up pulling back a little bit. And we are getting a nice, beautiful bounce now back into 45. So it is going to be an interesting night. It is going to be an interesting night, guys. And we are getting a pressure on the equity front. Man, just kind of feel like this market has no juice at the moment, guys. This could be something I've got to be really careful about here coming now. God, man. 432. We are going to flush down. Is that really what it is? Crazy stuff, man. I'm going to try to see if I can get out of this trade, to be honest. I don't know, it just kind of does not feel very comfortable trying to go long here, just based on what we see here. Just does not feel like, you know, we are catching any bids here up into that 500 area. So I don't know, right? I don't know what you guys see. Anybody here trying to go long with me? I mean, this is no bueno. I'm going to try to get out of this trade pretty quickly if I can. And maybe try to short this. Yeah, maybe. Oh, you've been shorting. Well, thanks for fading StockTiger. Pretty interesting one, guys. RSI bottom. Well, I wouldn't want to say a complete... extreme oversold territory just yet. We may get maybe a little more juice down and bring this little bit of an extreme situation where we get an extreme RSI oversold territory. Right now, still we're at about 30s RSI, right? So we're not quite there yet at the moment, in my opinion. So we have a chance, but I'm also trying to see if I can hold this and try to see if we get a bounce back into 450. That could give me a chance to try to get out of my trade and revisit, just kind of wait a little bit and then kind of see which direction I want to take. But so far, guys, man, this is You know, just kind of feel maybe we have a little more down. We'll see. Maybe a quick little pop would be nice if you can do that. Right? So we'll see, guys. A lot of selling pressure still so far. We're down about a quarter percent in the market. Down about 100 and somewhat points, guys. Yeah, we're about 110 points pullback off the highs. So, boy, man, this could be a quick flush down as well. I'm trying to get out, I'll be honest, but man, I don't know. It's kind of hard to say at the moment. Or should I just literally just get out right here? Just kind of, you know, watch this market do its thing. I wanna be able to get out though. Hold on 1 second, guys. Oh, there we go, guys. We're getting a little bounce. Off you go. Off you go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Oh. I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to get out. I'm trying to get out. You've got to be kidding, guys. Man. Is that rejection off that 448? Oh, my God. No way, bro. No way. Ah. Trying to stay a little patient.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled.
A quick little pop would be nice, guys. Forget it right here. Yeah, this thing went pretty hard down. Took all my drawdowns away with it, so... Man, I hate this now. Getting really annoyed. I'm just gonna get out right here, guys. I'm gonna just get out right here. Maybe a quick little pop here. I will get out. This is playing very hard to get, guys. All right, you know, I'll wait. I mean, we kind of waited for about 30 minutes, right? So might as well kind of wait a little bit. Try to see if we can get to maybe 450. So 450 would be an area I'm looking for to see if we get a little bounce, guys, back into 480. Oh, sorry, 450. Okay, so 450 is what I'm looking for at the moment. $450 is doable. Hopefully. So if we end up getting a rejection, we end up flushing down. We probably would see this thing pull back here into the 400s too, pretty quickly, right? So that is one problem that I see at the moment. This would be an area we could end up pulling back. But before we start to do that, maybe we try to get a bounce attempt. Guys, this is a pretty significant area that we want to talk about. Because this area literally 428, sorry, not 428, 410 is a huge monster area, right? So if we end up flushing down and we cannot hold, if we can't catch a bid, we probably end up pulling back all the way down to the low 300s, and that's about 100 points over and above the pullback we already got. So that is a pretty important, right? We've got to be able to hold that, right? But we're not catching any bids though. Somebody, oh my god. Yeah, ES is looking to break low. Yeah, my god. That's right. I mean, I'm kind of thinking maybe at some point we try to get a bounce back into the VWAP, you know what I mean? So we either try to flush down quickly and try to get a bounce, right? Either this, or, you know, we try to get a bounce now back into the VWAP and we end up pulling back. But I do kind of feel like maybe we could be in that range bound, and the range bound could be somewhere 480 to 400. So that's a pretty wide range, about 80 points. What made you decide to go with Blue Sky? No, bro. If you've been with us for a long time, my tier 1 hasn't changed, right? It's still intact. I think you're fairly new to this channel. Are you? Can you let me know if you are fairly new? Because just kind of feels that way. Take Profit Trader is still my tier 1, Lucid tier 1, Tradify tier 1, Apex is tier 1, and then we have Blue Sky now. That I kind of feel deserve, you know, that respect to kind of get back into that tier 1. So far, I still only have 4, and that's going to be Take Profit Trader, Lucid. But you just really think about it, guys. I cannot trade Lucid right now because my Lucid, I'm a live trader, but I mean, I moved to live twice, so I've got to trade the Lucid Max. Obviously, it's a little more pricey for the Lucid Max, which obviously has not relate to it does not relate to you because you probably would be trading the sim funded account. Yeah, Onyx is not loading. Yeah, that's exactly what's going on right now with me as well. So kind of feels like Real Estate Vancouver has a pretty similar taste as I am. So you know what I mean, Rafiq? That's really what it is. Lucid, I'm live trader, and Take Profit Trader, I was supposed to go live a year and a half. Well, I wouldn't say year and a half. I would say a year ago, but because as a Canadian who live in the West, we cannot go live with Take Profit Trader because TradeAway does not allow it to do so. So I'm still trading the sim funded, but I was supposed to go live a year ago. So, and that's the same thing with Top Step too. The only firm that I'm yet to go live would be the Tradify, which I think I'm pretty close to that as well. So my good days with the sim funded accounts are kind of getting close towards the end. And Apex too, yeah. Apex as well. I can't load any accounts with Apex right now. So I'm literally blocked from loading any evals. So I started to go very aggressively with the existing accounts that I have, because I want to try to see if I can get to, you know, a payout using the existing accounts that I have as much as I possibly could. Because I don't want to keep any buffer on any of my accounts. So I'm going to have to go with, you know, go after, take a risk, and either blow these accounts or, you know, get to the funded, well, not get to the funded stage. I mean, get to a payout stage, right? I would rather take about $6,000-7,000 a payout if I can on accounts that I'm above the buffer, than just trying to be cute with these, right? Sir GOG, what's going on, brother? Yeah, the Onyx is having some issues. I cannot log into the Onyx as well myself. So hey, that's the reason why we also expose ourselves, like, diversify, not just firms but also platforms too, right? I trade with Quant Tower, I trade with Tradovate, I trade with Onyx. I also trade with I could also trade with TradingView as well if I need to, but I use TradingView just for charting purposes, just like the way here. But I could link all my accounts to the TradingView and start trading off the TradingView. And this is my pro accounts that I have here with me. So I'm not trading the pro at the moment because, one of the pro accounts I'm above the buffer. So I could try to trade to get maybe a few $100 payout, which I will maybe tomorrow morning, not tonight though. And kind of go from there, guys. Top Step, I did buy a few accounts, in a given time, but that was it. And I had two combines like 4 weeks ago. I ended up blowing those, and I did not really pay too much attention to try to reload, right? So I mean, the rule that I have with Top Step is that I'll try to load in maybe a couple accounts, and if I do well with them, that's great. But if not, then I'll just kind of stop until I want to go back. Yeah, I just kind of feels. Yeah, exactly. TradingView has that issue. The fills and exits. Yeah, I mean, you nailed it. Yeah, JQ. But I almost kind of feel like it's good for show. I'll be honest, it's good for show because you can type in whatever you want, right? You can have what do you call this? The TradingView is good if you're trying to stream, and if you want to send a lot of different messages, you know what I mean? It's good because you can type in whatever you want here, a lot of great tools that you have to do charting, right? So if you're a trader like me, getting in and out more often than not, then I think TradingView is definitely not the way to go, at least for now. Faisal Barari, you're not going to touch this market until it's open? Yeah. So, I mean, this is definitely the type of market right now we're in, with this sort of a very choppy, because we could not do anything here for the next 30 minutes, and next thing you know, it ends up dumping 100 points, and you're essentially holding a bag. So we want to be a little careful trading the funded accounts at this point, because this is what this market may try to do to you, and there you don't want to get hurt on a Sunday night, and you have all day tomorrow to be trading, all day tomorrow. Well, that doesn't mean that you're kind of protected tomorrow morning, because tomorrow morning could be worse. You know what I mean? You have this huge volatility at the open for about 30 minutes, and it's going to knock you out back and forth, and you're going to end up losing several accounts that really matters. And then you're going to try to get it back, but the market's dead. You know what I mean? So what New York has been great lately is that you have this huge monster moves right at the start for about 30 to 1 hour. That gives you like 300 points up and down, and the traders end up blowing a lot of accounts thanks to that huge monster volatility, right? And then as when you try to get back, the market's literally dead. What it does is 50 points move up and down, and you probably would end up blowing more accounts because it's really tight range. So yeah. So not the open is the greatest sometimes. Sometimes, you end up getting hurt even more, way more, because obviously the market is volatile for the first hour, and then it's kind of literally dead for the rest of the remainder of the day. All right, let's see if we try to get a bit of a bounce, guys. I mean, I don't know, man. This just does not feel very bullish, but I mean, again, we're kind of tapping into that key level now. Right, so 441 definitely is that important area. We've got to find a way to hold this, because if we break underneath this key level, and as when we try to retest and we get a rejection, this could be a continuation to the downside, and that could be a beautiful rollover down. And if you're showing this market right now, and if you're banking, And if you are holding a short position right from that 500 area, then man, you have a lot of room to hold and keep holding for as long as you can. Wow. On the bright side, you can have all day tomorrow to think, oh, yeah, that's true too. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. That too for sure. But you know what I mean? At least the Asia market, if you end up getting blown, I don't know. You end up getting blown, you lose one account and you're kind of done for the day. In the mornings, man, you could get beat up pretty hard if you kept being on the wrong side. Or even if you're on the right side, you end up getting a pullback and that's going to blow your account. And it goes your way sometimes. Crazy, man. Oh yeah, real estate Vancouver. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm talking about. So we were talking about something I can't remember. I think we were talking about somebody mentioned we'll wait till tomorrow morning, but I was just trying to say that tomorrow morning could be even worse or could be even more difficult because the market is very volatile at the start of the day. Okay, I'm still holding this long position here, guys. Oh, so there we go, guys. We're getting a pullback here. Yeah, I have heard of Michael Yo. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Guys, man, is that rejection there? God, man. All right, I'm still holding this. I'm still holding this long. It's not looking that great, to be honest, but I'll still hold it, guys. Maybe look for maybe a quick little bounce. This is not looking that great, right? Not a great looking chart, to be honest, but we'll try to hold and see for now. Oh yeah, man. Real estate Vancouver, you're still holding this short trade. Good for you, brother, man. Good job. Hopefully just a liquidity grab before the run up. It's kind of hard to say. It's kind of hard to say. I'm patiently waiting for a little bounce, guys, and see if I can actually try to get out of my trade. That's really what I'm looking for at the moment. It does kind of feel bearish, but I mean, we could still see a pop, right? So good long entry here, you think, Sin City? It's yeah, just kind This kind of feels like a bit of a bit like a falling knife, if you will. But see, maybe we try to pull back here down pretty quickly into the 4s, maybe 3s, maybe, and then we try to get a bounce after that. But the bounce would be very limited too. We'll see, guys. I still have like $1,500 of drawdown, right? So maybe I can kind of use that to be a little patient and see if we get a little bit of a bounce back in the market. The bounce would be right into the VWAP. Now that we're kind of like, well, we actually broke underneath the skill level, by the way, 440. So what I'm looking for is I need to see a quick bounce off this level, right? 440-ish area. I need a quick bounce off this. So yeah, I need to see a quick bounce, man. If I can't do that, and if we just keep grinding down, then I probably would say, yep, this is eval account. Yeah, that's right. I'm actually thinking about stepping into a pro account, by the way. I'm thinking about stepping into a pro account. I think you can do 5 mini contracts here. You could.
Order submitted.
Oh my god, guys. Wow. You gotta love it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Oh wow. What did I do right
Order
now?
filled. Order rejected.
Well, you could do 4. That's all you can do. 4 contracts. Oh, this is definitely not looking that great at the moment, guys.
Order submitted.
That was the nasty rejection off that. Wow. What in the world is going on right now, guys? I'm going to try to get
Order
out.
filled.
I have 3 contracts? Really? How in the world I have 3 contracts here, guys?
Order submitted.
Oh my god. Well,
Order submit. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
well, I only have, well, I don't have any more room.
Order filled.
Man, we are having a really tough time to try to get a bounce here, guys. I just need a little quick pop here into the 450, guys, and that's really all I need. But maybe try to get a pullback before we try to get a bounce too. We'll see how it kind of plays out, everybody. It is an interesting spot. Let's see where this takes us. There you go, guys. I'm in trouble here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Can I take one more? I can.
Order rejected.
Again, the same thing, guys. Every time we try to get a bit of a bounce, guys, it is a rejection. And it's really kind of getting annoying. I think, yeah. The next bounce that we get, I really have to find a way to get out. I don't know if I'm gonna get that chance though. But if I do, then I really have to find a way to get out, man. This is just really not looking good. Well, it does look kind of feel like, you know, this maybe go. Shit. Again, the same freaking problem over and over again. Yeah, you're right. All right, see you guys what happens here. Nothing is impossible. Yeah, I'm holding. But we could, like, if this thing's gonna move, it's gonna move pretty quickly, and we're gonna get some wild swings because we're at a pretty significant level here, right? So this could blow my account and get a bounce. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna go. Oh my god. Yeah, it's gonna blow now. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move on.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, did I just make a mistake with the pro accounts? Oh my god. Did I just make a mistake with the pro?
Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Yeah, the blue sky eval's gone.
Order filled.
Order filled.
And I'm trading the pro right now. I'm trading the pro.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Where's the pro? I'm gonna try to move to the micro now. Now that I'm in the money, right? Yeah, I lost the blue sky veil. I lost one. Wow. We broke underneath the 409, guys. We broke underneath that. Guys, go ahead and type in exclamation tiger for the giveaway. And don't forget to smack the like, guys, at the same time if you can. We'll call out the winner at about 200 likes. The sooner we get, we're going to do more and more giveaways here tonight. And we'll go ahead and do a giveaway for the members as well. Right, guys, go ahead and type in exclamation tiger. I think you guys forgot that we have a giveaway happening here right now. Mm, 246 minus 20% split. It's $200, guys. Should I take this $200 and kind of walk away? I think we could. So I'm gonna look for maybe a little bit of a bounce, maybe, and look for that bounce to find a rejection. So maybe I can try to see if I can get maybe a little more on this payout. This is gonna be a daily payout into tomorrow morning, so. Just really kind of feels like, we may try to get a bounce, but then the bounce kind of fail. We end up pushing down into what again? Into the high 300s. Maybe it's possible here. This market may try to do that. I just kind of felt like this market was going to pull back, but I was looking for that quick little bounce, and we did get a quick little bounce, but I mean, I just wasn't able to get out. So that ended up getting blown, the eval. So here we are trading funded account. We're trading the pro, and I'm looking for a pro to give us that little bit of a deeper pullback down, maybe into the 380s. My target will be 380, guys. And then, but before we get down there, maybe I'm hoping that we get a bit of a bounce, so I have a chance of getting a little more of a bigger size. Thank you guys once again for being here, man, guys. Every day with us. Globex 5:45 p.m. Eastern time. We also go live in the mornings too, right, guys? We did that on Friday morning all day. So we intend to do more and more live streaming in the mornings as well. For now, it's about 2 times a week in the mornings and every night during the Globex. You guys can see on my thumbnail too. So it's every night, Globex Asia, Tokyo, and then it's at least twice a week in the mornings too. Let's go to 250. What do you mean? Oh, you're looking for a massive pullback here, 250? So we broke underneath this very important key level, right? So this is our last result, guys. If we can't hold this, then I think we have some serious problem to kind of work with. Wow, profit factor in from 532. Monica here in the house says 230 to 240. Wow, Monica. How's it going, Monica? I really trade before Asia, but probably it will slow. Well, you got into super trade. It's a good job. I'm actually thinking about getting out of this trade, to be honest, right now, so I can maybe take my daily payout. Kind of thinking. Made 1K on the distribution. Nice. Silent edge, man, bro. You guys are banking. That makes me definitely feel so good, to be honest, man. I blew one account on a beautiful Sunday afternoon, man. What a way to start the week. Is StockTiger gonna have a tough week? It's hard to say. Hard to say. I've been pretty what do you call this? I've been pretty disciplined in the last couple weeks, to be honest. And I really feel like I am able to manage my emotions way better than I thought it was going to. I'm managing my accounts, managing my trades better. The oversizing is still a big part of a problem, I would say. But I mean, you know, it's all within, I guess, my controls. So. And by the way, guys, if you guys are, I've been not, well, I guess I've been not really active on Twitter, X. So maybe if you guys can take a few seconds, maybe try to follow me. I am going to start to be more active. So maybe, yeah, if you guys can take a few seconds to show me some love. If you follow me, I'll follow you back as well. So it's always been that tradition. Oh, guys, that's an ultimate. Oh my God, look at that.
Order filled.
And right back down,
Order
guys.
submitted.
Right back
Order
down.
submitted.
The market's pulling back, guys.
Order
Filled.
All right, I'm
Order
walking away with
filled.
$300, guys. $300. I'm walking away with that $300, guys.
Order canceled.
I'm locking in right here, guys. $300. Okay, we'll take it. We'll take it, everybody.
Order submitted. Order
Filled.
Order submitted.
Oh, what did I do? I thought I was in micro. Try to flip this account.
Order
Filled.
Order
Filled.
Order
Filled.
Order
Filled.
Order submitted. Order
Filled.
What happened? I thought I was in micro, but then apparently I was in NQ, so I got out of my trade pretty quickly. That's the eval. That's the eval. So we got, you know, some couple evals. Oh, we only have one eval here.
Order filled.
Filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, guys, I'm trying to short this again. Let me just walk away
Order
for a little bit,
canceled.
guys. I'm only down about $200. Well, $120 on this eval.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. I'm gonna try to short on a pop. So we ended up pulling back into 380, guys, and that's the level we just talked about earlier. So yeah, once again, thank you guys for following me on Twitter X. Thank you guys for doing that. I see a whole bunch of you guys following. That's great. Thank you guys for doing that. Yeah, I haven't been active on X for a long time, so we're kind of right back here. I'm trying to be. Actually, you know what? Let me share the link. I'll share my link, guys. 1 second. My Twitter link is here. Try to show some love if you can, guys. I really appreciate it to all of you for doing that. No, it doesn't cost any money for to try to follow. I'll follow you back, by the way, guys. So it's we all friends. Man, I got beat by mosquitoes, man, so much. Incredible. I'm like sitting here scratching my legs all night. This mosquitoes are so mean. They are so mean today. Thank you guys once again for following me. I will share that link again, my Twitter link. Here we go. Yeah, I saw the gram, man. I got to do something. I just don't know if this is the right time to do it. Somebody help! Mosquitoes in the house. It's trying to take my mornings. Guys, looks like we still have a continuation here to the downside. Is that really what it is?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
I wonder if I want to add some
filled.
more, guys. I'm just a little nervous about a quick pop. We could get a quick pop that's gonna really try to drive me crazy. I am so excited. Not tonight. We could start to get a bounce right here. It is possible. So I just kind of feel like, you know, maybe I'm trying to bind the low. You know what I mean? A demand zone, a key level here at 370. We talked about how if we break underneath the 430, you know, we end up quickly moving down to the 370s, and that's a grind down, guys. A continuation here. So we are essentially down about 140 points from the high, and that's about 0.5%. That's a pretty substantial pullback when you consider. I guess, coming in today, we said we are trying to be a little more neutral to bearish, right? And I guess it's kind of working out the way we thought it is. It's just that I try to play the little chop, which, it came in a little bit quick. Well, came in a little bit sooner than I thought it's going to. That's a bit of a trendy move,
Order.
Crazy,
Order
man. Look at
filled.
this market, guys. We're
Order-
back to green here. We're
Order
back to
filled.
green. So we're kind of live here. Wow. All right, I'm gonna
Order
exit
filled.
that. I'm gonna log that out as well.
Order canceled.
Well, no, I could try to pass this today. I could try to pass that today, guys.
Orders-
What am I thinking here?
Order filled.
I could try to pass, guys. One quick move here now.
Order order
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I could try to pass this right now, guys. Why not, right?
Order order
Order filled.
Oh!
order submitted. Order
Order filled.
I could try to pass. Why not, right? Why not, everybody?
Order.
Order
Let's try to
filled.
do that right now, guys.
order
Order filled.
Uh-oh,
Order.
guys.
Order
Uh-oh.
filled.
order
Order filled.
Well, try to pass, and I'm gonna probably end up blowing this account now, guys.
order
Order
submitted.
filled.
Oh!
Order canceled.
Get out! Get out, get out, get out! Ah!
Order filled.
I'm done. I love this market. I love this market, guys. It just just makes me happy. Makes me happy. Makes you happy. Makes me happy. What else do we want? It makes everybody happy. Let's take it. All right, I'm gonna step in here with the 25K. Let's see. Let's try to see if I can get something going here, guys. Maybe a daily payout. I don't know. Maybe it's possible. Or we'll give it a shot, guys. We'll try. I'm gonna look for a bounce now. Let's look for this area to be that sort of a resistance where I kind of feel like maybe could be a chance for me to try to short on a little bounce into the 400s, guys. Maybe back into 400s, okay? And that's what I'm gonna be looking for here. Yeah, take profit trader is still 40%. That's right, still 40%. And right now the account stats, I have 325s and potentially I have 3 of 50s, right? And I have 3 of 25s right now. One is in eval. So I'm gonna try to step in here with the pro account again, a different pro, a fresh new pro, I guess, that I had on Thursday, but I ended up not trading any of these. I did a manual lockout on these, so
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you.
all right. I'm looking for some clues here now.
Just for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. There's nothing I wouldn't.
What are you guys thinking? Are you guys trying to go long or short right here? I'm not. Well, I'm not. Well, I'm still kind of leaning more down, to be honest. So I'm gonna try to see if I can short this on a bounce, right? And see where it takes us. Yeah, this is all my pro accounts. Yeah, that's right. All my pro accounts right here. Well, I'm just grateful that I have some pro accounts to trade, so that's good. I'm trying my level best, guys, to not oversize. This oversize to me feels like the biggest problem that I think we all are facing, you know, at this sort of the market volatility that we have, right? So it's okay, you know, oversizing, you know, seems to be okay when, you know, we have a slower market. But, you know, when you're kind of oversizing into a market where we're getting 300 points on any single given day, that's when things become very difficult to stay alive, because, you know, you're essentially working only with about $1,500 drawdown, or maybe $2,000 at most. For most part, unless you're having a much bigger account, let's say if you're having a 300K. Oh, by the way, guys, Tradify came out with a 300K select account. And that account's a lot cheaper now. It's $349, I think. So it's, hey, that's good. I'm okay with that account. $349. You know, and if you are that sort of a trader where, you know, you prefer to trade the bigger accounts, then yeah, that $349 seems to be okay for now. I can live with that. Could that equates to about 3.5 accounts of the 50s, right? Because 50s are going to cost you about $98, right, on a select account, right? I don't know. Oh, you would do? Oh, I see. Maybe I'm wrong. Sorry, man. Maybe I'm wrong. But it just kind of feels better than the last one, though. It was a limited time. It's not. I don't think it's there anymore. So I guess I'll still go with the 50Ks, or maybe 150s at most. Yeah, I imagine everybody was telling me, no, I'm not trading the 300Ks, but looks like it's already sold out. Or maybe they rolled out maybe 20 accounts in total. Of course, it's gonna get sold out in a minute. Did I miss a trade? Maybe I would say. Well, I don't know if I missed a trade, but I mean. I did not really have a lot of confluence in this, right? And I said that I'm looking for that little bounce back into 388 or maybe 400. Is Mosquito here, you little Mosquito? Bring it on, man, Mosquito. Where are you? Where are you? I'm gonna catch you alive. Ah. He's probably hiding somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, it just kind of feels like I'm fighting against the market. I'm fighting against... Oh, guys, I think we may be getting something here. I mean, maybe getting something here. This could be a little fake move to the downside. I want to be a little careful here, guys. I'm trading my pro, right? So I want to be a little careful here. Are we gonna get a reversal? We could, but the market looking weak. So maybe get a quick little pop, and that could potentially be a shorting opportunity for us. I don't know. That's what I just kind of feel this market may try to do. We may try to get a fake little pump as well. All right, you guys, in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway for members and Tiger Vibe only. And while we kind of wait to, see if we get a nice little pump on the like standpoint. Yeah, for the take profit trader that we are doing, that we'll wait till we get to about 200 likes, okay? Even if we get to a reasonable, say 180 likes, I would still go ahead and do the giveaway for everybody. We'll still wait for a little bit, guys, while we try to see what this market's gonna try to do. Where is that app? Oh, 1 second. One second, guys. Where's that? Spin the wheel. Okay, so for the YouTube members and the Tiger Vibe, the mods, type in your name so I can add it. Min Max Infinity, Mugiwara, Final Countdown, Gen 25, Wait Pablo. Oh my God! Oh, natural gas. Hold on 1 second. Oh my God. Oh, did I miss that on trade, guys? Did I miss that? Oh man. Oh my dear everybody. I missed that entire move to the downside.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
All right, guys, I exceeded that trade. Guys. I'm gonna look to see if I can long on a pullback here, guys. If we get a little bit of a deeper pullback, that's a nice, decent entry for me. I'll take that. Who else do we have? Big belly. Profit. Enter.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, I guess I'm gonna try to short this. Yeah, well, maybe look for a quick little bounce, maybe into the 370s, and maybe try to see if that's going to become a shorting opportunity for us. I'm looking for a good entry so I can take a stab and see if I can get this nice, beautiful move in one direction. I think we could possibly see an opportunity both long and short. I'm just not sure what sort of a sustainable bounce we're going to get. Because by now we should have got a bigger bounce, I'll be honest. If we are back into like 380 immediately, instantly, then I would have felt a lot more bullish. But just kind of feels like maybe we are going to roll over down on a bounce. So we'll see, guys. We'll keep an eye on this. But I'm going to take a stab. A little bit on the house money, so So I did add all the names of the mods and the members, and I think that should be good now. I think we should be good. But of course, I'm gonna have to give you 45 seconds to let me know that you're here with us as well. Just kind of make sure we want to play nice and fair for everybody. So that's going to be 45 seconds. You guys gonna have to let me know. Oh, Justin Wright is here. Oh my, what a perfect timing right there. Justin Wright is here. What a perfect timing. So guys, for giveaway for everybody, we'll wait till we get to about 180 likes, right? So we are about 40 likes away from getting into the 180s, and that's when we'll do a giveaway for everybody, and we may do a few more for everybody, right? So we just gotta see some reasonable love from everybody, really. We got over 300 viewers right now, guys. I want to thank you guys for being here as always every single night. Over 300 viewers, a little more consistently lately. So I want to thank you guys for doing that. So let's try to see if we can get the likes up to about 200. Try to show some love, everybody. Wow, guys, what a nice little dump here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Is this going to be a bounce now? I'm going to be a little disappointed if we end up getting a bounce
Order
here.
submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Incredible.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm taking a stab here a little more aggressively. I know we're kind of oversold at the moment, but boy, what a little... we're not catching any bits at the moment, so... Is this going to be a chance for me to try to take a stab?
Order submitted.
Try to give me that little bit of a juice.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I just don't want to lose my drawdown, and that's why I'm playing a little bit of a tighter
Order.
one.
Order filled.
Take profits as I...
Order
Oh
filled.
my god. Incredible Frappuccino, everybody. What the fuck la is going on la? Man, we're not getting any Mullah bounce tonight, guys. No Mullah bounce at all here today. Wow. No bueno, guys. No bueno here
Order
tonight.
canceled.
No Mullah bounce tonight, guys. Maybe the Mullah party is over. Maybe we're going to have to start looking for Unagi pullbacks going forward on any little deck cat bounce in the market. All right, I'm going to exit my trade right there, guys. I'm going to try to close all of
Order
these.
canceled.
Let's try to take a look and see if we got anybody, man. Oh, my dear. You've got to be kidding, guys. Just to say, Andrew Trades here. I think I did. Oh, Andrew Trades I haven't added. No. Okay, who else is here? Andrew Moore. Andrew Moore. Kenzie. Oh, Kenzie Miller. Yo, bro. Well, I don't know if it's a bro, but I mean, great to see you, bro. Jason Jade Warney. Oh my God. Everybody came on board. Now everybody woke up. Benny Benusi. All right, I'm gonna close it here, guys. I'm gonna close it. I think Rebecca is here. Rebecca. Rebecca. Oh man. Anthony too. Oh, we got Prime. All All right, that's it. That's it. You guys see all the names now? All right, I'm gonna close that for the members and the mods. It's done. We're gonna go ahead and call the winner. This is gonna be a test one, okay? This is gonna be a test. All right, one second. This is gonna be a test one. Guys, I'm actually thinking about going long here. Oh my god, just kind of feel like I missed out on that one. Guys, a little too late. I asked you to type in earlier. We don't have that now. Maybe next time, okay? Yeah, I'll fuck it. Just we'll add now. No more. Sergio, I'm just gonna add Sergio. Sergio, that's it. I'm closing. Oh, you did type earlier? Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. All right, guys, good luck. This is a test one, okay? I just want to do a little test, so this is not going to be the winner. This is a test drive. This is a test only. Okay, the real one now. Real one. Let's find out who the winner is, guys. Good luck. Who's it gonna be? KSDPM? Who the heck is this? Who the heck is this, everybody? Who the heck is this, guys? Oh, is it just my typo? What the fink? I am absolutely all over, guys, once again. I have no idea who it is, guys. Do we roll it again? A suspicious scam. I think it's a typo, right? I think, yeah, that's my mistake, I think, yeah. Yeah, I think that's me. I think that's my mistake. Whatever, guys. I mean, we already have it there, so we'll re-roll the dice, okay? I'm gonna do it again, guys. Is it gonna be prime trades? Primo trades? Yo, primo trades. Primo trades. Are you here? Primo trades. Damn, that was funny, man. That was funny. Okay, private trades. Yeah, just hit me up on the Discord. Okay, later when you get a chance, so we can do our beautiful account. Hand over to Mr. Primo Trades. All right, guys. I think we'll now. Oh my God, guys! 1 second. What a beautiful little injection here, guys. Do I want to?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, I think that's a. Oh,
Order
Order filled.
that's $300, guys. $300. That's $300. I just took $300 right there, guys. I'm gonna try to YOLO. Well, not YOLO, but I mean, I'm gonna try to see if I can go a little aggressively here. Do I try to do with the NQ though? You know what I mean? Oh my God, I don't know. Somebody's gonna have to stop me from getting into tilt mode now. Guys, we'll go ahead and do giveaway for everybody now. But in the meantime, oh, like I said again, we got 5 more likes to go, guys. What is going on, everybody? Let's few more likes and we're about to start for everybody. I sold, yeah. I took I think it was a good $90 on that quick little pop. Yeah, that was a quick trade for me. I'm just not sure what to do here, guys. I don't want this thing to rack my brains out here tonight. Maybe I try something else. I don't know. Not long yet. Maybe I can try a couple micro, guys. Couple micros. What do you guys think? Let's try to see. Maybe we get an opportunity here, guys. Try to short this bad boy. Right. I'm gonna try to see if I can scale in here. I'm hoping that I'm not gonna put myself in a weird spot, to be honest. Maybe, you know what? I will lock that out as well, right? Just to try to be a good boy and not try to act smart, And guys, I'm gonna go with NQ on a 50K account. Try to go a little aggressively here. See how it kind of goes, guys. Good luck. If I end up blowing this account, that's fine. Well, it's not fine, but I mean, I'm taking a stab here, right? I'm willing to take a risk here and see how it kind of goes. Guys, try to show some love. We got over 330 viewers at the moment, guys. Yeah, each one of you, I want to thank you guys for being here. But of course, at the same time, if you can show some love, smack the like. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much once again for being here. We got Tokyo in about 2 minutes. Good luck if you guys are trading here as well. I will be stepping in with a pro account here as we now get into Tokyo. I'm going to be looking for that. Hopefully, I don't get into a, into that situation where you end up blowing an account. In order for me to get in and out quickly, I've got to, I just kind of feel like I've got to step in with the NQ, right? I mean, the commissions on the MNQ, it's quite substantial. And I don't know if that's the way to go here tonight. Maybe in the mornings, yes, but I mean, I don't know. So I'll try. Okay, you know what? Let me just think about it. Let me just think about it for a few minutes here. And now we got Tokyo in about a minute now. So well, with the love that we got just now, guys. Oh, did we get some love? I think we did. Yeah, we got a small. Well, not small. We got some love. We'll go ahead and do some giveaways here, guys, for everybody. And that includes, of course, mods, members, and everybody else as well. And let's try to have some fun here tonight. We got about 20 more seconds for Tokyo, guys. Let's try to get this get into a good trade on this Tokyo and see what happens. But the market is down still, guys, quite a lot. I think the market's down about 300 points, by the way. We got Tokyo, guys. Starts now. Good luck.
Give it time. I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do. For you, there's nothing I wouldn't do.
All right, so far no moves. So far no moves. We're not getting any moves here at the moment, guys. So watch out for bigger moves. We could get a bigger move here. We could. Be careful if you guys are trading here. I'm just not sure which direction I'm gonna have to pick, and it's hard to say. We could still get a pullback here as well. Just because we're oversold does not mean that we just, does not mean that we're oversold. But it's quite interesting to see this market pulling back into 280s right here tonight. I thought we could potentially see that tomorrow morning, maybe. But we are right back down, guys, into that level we just talked about. So if we can't hold this, guys, we probably end up seeing a pullback underneath the 29s. And that is possible. So I'm kind of looking for maybe this, and we end up pulling back, maybe. What's the max payout? There's no max payout. You just keep taking out on a daily payout if you are over the buffer, and that's $1,500, right? Do I have to go test the water with the micro? We could try that, guys. I could try testing the water here with the micro, and so look for that little bounce to become a setting opportunity. I mean, if we try to retest this area, guys, if we just not keep pulling back and we just try to do this, then maybe I'll try to go long, okay? Maybe I'll try to go for long, but if we just keep doing maybe this, you know what I mean? And we just keep hitting new low of the day, then I guess at some point I'm going to have to look to try to sell this market. Did you catch the whole move down? Oh, you're asking Vancouver. I hope it did. Guys, if you can, try to follow me on X, on Twitter, because I'm going to do some big giveaways on X as well, because it's been a while since I have not logged on to the X. So I'm trying to be a little more proactive there as well. So if you guys want to follow me, I'll follow you guys back. And it's good because I'm going to be doing a random giveaways using the X comments. So you'll be the first one to know if you're following. I have a very small followers right now, so I've got to start coming back into the I only have like 300 well, I only have 180 following right now. 180 following me. Oh no, I'm following 180 followings, but I think I only have like 320 followers right now. So if you guys want to show some love and try to follow me on X, I would really appreciate it, guys. And I'm trading Take Profit Trader right now. I'm trading Take Profit Trader. You hate watches here? What does that mean, Zinjo? What does that mean, brother? I like the shorts. Bounce, bake, blaze. What's going on, man? You only go for large trades, search and sell. Nice, man. Nice. Oh, you're not. Yeah. Okay. What is my X link? Hold on 1 second. All right. I was trying to get into a short, but I decided to kind of wait. Natural Energy, did you win? Did you bank a lot tonight? I am trying to, well, I don't want to short right here. If this is going to be limited room to the downside, I would rather see, like I said again, I would rather see maybe a little bit of a bounce and then that become a shorting opportunity. And that could potentially take us down further into the low 200s, right? So I'm going to be looking for this area as an opportunity for me to try to take a stab here, right? So who was the previous winner of the giveaway? Hold on 1 second. Is it Prime Trades? Can you hit me up on DM? Sorry, on not in DM, but I mean. Guys, in the meantime, we're also gonna go ahead and do a giveaway for everybody now, as promised. So let's go ahead and do that right now, guys. 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna close the entries. Should I close the entries now? Is it okay? Everybody, can I close the entries? Okay. Or okay, let's just give you guys maybe about 20 more seconds to type in exclamation tiger. Okay, exclamation tiger. The risk reward is not here right now, and that's why I'm not stepping in at the moment. The risk reward is not there, and that's why I'm not stepping in. I would usually do that, but I mean, right now, it's we have a possible situation where we could get a bounce, and that bounce could be pretty well. I wouldn't say pretty significant, but if we are able to hold this, you could see a bounce back into 340. So. Well, I lost my first eval tonight thanks to trying to play the chop. So that's what happens sometimes, you know what I mean? I mean, just kind of felt like, the market may break down, but it broke out to the downside a little more sooner than I thought it's going to. So the first eval actually got toasted. But we are back here. I think everything else seems to be, I would say, pretty decent. especially on a take profit trader account. So I'll take that. Grateful to see that these accounts kind of back to life nicely here. So it looks like the what do you call this? The Onyx is back, guys, and not just Onyx. I think probably everything else is kind of back. So let's see what sort of a strength we get here on the bounce, guys. Let's see what sort of a strength we get here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna close the entries now, guys. Good luck. Where is my giveaway? Got a lot of tickets. Holy guys. Do you think we should do a shotgun? Because I don't want to keep calling out new names. Yeah, we got about 480 tickets right now, guys. Maybe I'll do a little poll, just find out what you guys think.
Fact or fiction, you picked your poison. This mental friction, clearly it's been broken. Borderline tragic, you're so dramatic. It's automatic, you turn it on like magic. What would it take to make you feel better again? What would it take to make you feel better again?
All right, guys, that's a pretty decent sized bounce. Oh, I thought Adam Daz, I thought you said no shotgun, and now you're saying shotgun. I'm a little confused. Guys, vote. At least we need 50 votes. At least 50 votes. Wow, man. Real estate Vancouver, you're smacking tonight. You're sling this market absolutely all night. All right, guys, we get a little bounce, guys, in the market. Wow. Is this going to be a shot on bottom? All right, guys, I'm going to do a shotgun like what everybody is telling me to. So all right, guys, 1 minute to type in exclamation tiger, guys. 1 minute. And I'm going to close the entries, guys. 1 minute to type in exclamation tiger. 1 minute, guys. I'm going to put a timer on. Yeah, guys, man, that would have been a nice long trade. I hope you guys caught that move to the upside, guys. I just did not have the bull G to hold this, so yeah.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm gonna close the poll. Sorry, not the poll. The giveaway here. All right, I closed the entries, guys. I closed it. I closed the entries, and I'm gonna pick the winner. The winner has to let me know you are here with us 45 seconds, and then if you're not here, we'll re-roll to somebody else, right? Just to kind of make sure we play fair and square for everybody. Again, I want to thank you to all of you for being here every single night. Man. This is very, very exciting to see this market trying to get a bounce here. Let's see what sort of a bounce we get here right now, guys. All right, good luck. I'm going to call out the winner. Mr. Entries and Exits. What a name. What a name. 45 seconds, brother. Let me know. Entries and Exits. What a name. Entries and Exit is here or no? There you go, brother. Wow, nice to see you win. God bless her. Wow, congrats, man. Congrats. Let's go. Let's booyah. The market trying to get a squeezy move. FS rates. We'll do another one, guys. We'll do another one for everybody as promised. We get some love. Oh, we give away. Guys, looks like the market. Oh, I had 3. Oh no, I did not realize that. Oh, I didn't know I had 3 50K accounts.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This kind of feels like I'm really on the wrong side here, to be honest, but I want to be a little careful. I want to be a little careful here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
God, man, that was a $200 I missed on that one. $200. Yeah, that was $200. I missed it. I should have maybe not. Was it $200? I think it was, but was it 200? Maybe not. Maybe it was not $200. I'm not sure. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. Yeah, it feels like it's trying to move higher, but again, this is one of those moments where, you know, I look for that quick little pullback and I end up getting absolutely destroyed. Oh no, man! I try to get out right here. Okay, sir, I've taken out, guys. I'm out. Yeah, so yeah, that's what I kind of felt, you know, kind of smelled fishy, I'll be honest. So anyways, we took some profits there, guys. I don't know how much profit that I'd make. Oh, it's 158. So hey, we'll take that. Oh my god, that would have been a nice little trade. Now, do we get a bounce here or do we end up pulling back? You know, it's... I'm going to try to short the pop, okay? So, I'm going to try to short the pop maybe. Or maybe not. Make up your mind, StockTiger. Do you think you're going to get a nice little moolah bounce? Or what is it going to be? Guys, man, that's a nice little break to the upside. That would have been a beautiful trade to the upside, guys, man. That would have been a good $600-700 right there, man. Right there. I missed that. I missed that, guys. I hope you guys caught that move. I missed it. I absolutely missed that move to the upside, guys, man. By the time I made my decision, it was too late. It was already up. Sometimes, you know, you gotta have to take a step, and I just not do that today. I mean, not today. I mean, now on this little trade that I was kind of looking for. I was actually thinking about shorting, to be honest, and then I said, okay, you know what? I may have to go along, and then I was like, it was too late. Okay, so we are right back into 370 now, right back into the VWAP too. I like this. To the upside here, guys, man. But we're smacking into the VWAP, so we could get a little bit of rejection here too. We could be right back into the 350s too, for all you know. So I want to be just a little bit careful here, just a little careful. Tonight you're banking better. Oh yeah, man. Hey, bro, man, you're banking something that's great. Realistic Vancouver. I mean, you've been banking all night today, based on all your call outs. So kudos to you, man. Kudos to you. Guys, the daily payout accounts with listed 40% is back here again. Don't forget. The Apex 90%, all in $49 on that 50K account, and $59 all in on a 100K account, all in with no activation. 59. So. Yeah, Asia is definitely doing big tonight, guys. Holy mochaccino. Absolutely, sir. I agree. Wow. Payout request on Saturday. I mean, once you request, it goes into your wallet right away, right? It goes into your wallet right away. Guys, stay tuned. We're gonna do another one for another giveaway for everybody. So oh, you requested another one? Nice, man. Nice. Good for you, brother. Good for you, man. Absolutely. Grace of God. Absolutely. Okay, so we're kind of chopping here off that VWAP, so I wonder what it's gonna be. Do I have the whole entire drawdown? I do, yeah. I have $2,000 drawdown right there, guys. All right, we'll do take profit trader 25k account giveaway here happening. It is also going to be a shotgun, guys, so just stay tuned. We'll do it in about 5 minutes. So if you've got to head out to the washroom or you got to take a shower or whatever you guys have to do, just better do it right now. At least I'm giving you a bit of a heads up right there. David Sen, what's going on, man? Pure success. Bread 5974, what's up, man? Casey Courtney here in the house, what's up? I'm at least I can tell you with confidence that your chance of winning any given giveaway on this stream is probably the highest, or I would say one of the highest, right? One of the highest. What is the name of this song? I have no idea, bro. You are definitely asking the wrong person. At least we have $300 locked in, guys, for the daily payout tonight. So hey, we'll take it. You know what I'm kind of thinking is I may try to leave one pro account always to trade only during the Globex, guys. I think that's what I'm going to try to do, and that could be that 25k account. So every single day. Oh, guys, 1 second. Guys, I'm gonna wait here.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
I should have gotten sooner off that 350 area. That's what I plan to do. So we'll leave one pro, which will be the 25k account. We'll leave one account to always trade during the Asia or Globex, whatever you guys want to call it. And then that account's going to be something that I'm always going to be trading Asia only. So if I end up failing that account, it's going to get blown. But I mean, look forward to maybe getting a daily payouts during the Asia. There was this one account. I don't know if you guys remember a couple of weeks ago, guys. There was this account that I ran. I don't know for how many days, guys. I think I ran for almost 30 days straight on a 25k account. And I kept going, right? I kept going with that account. And that was during the Asia and London session. I don't know if you guys remember that account. That was an account that really did pay me a lot on that one single account. I think I've taken about it was I think about 8,000 or 9,000, I think somewhere on there, give or take. And that was after the split, so technically it should have been a lot more. But I mean, after split, so that was about 30 days, and on an average, it was about $800 to $1,200 on a payout, right? So I know I lied. I would say there were some days it was $150, some days it was $500, but give or take, that was a pretty. That was a really good account. I'll tell you that much. It was such a beautiful account. You know, it's, you know, when everything else was kind of falling apart, and that one account was just giving me this beautiful daily payouts. You know what I mean? So that really helps. It really does help. You know, when so very grateful. I don't know if they're gonna change the split to 90-10, but for now it's still 80-20, right? So maybe they will. You know, they did change the pass from the days to pass from 5 to 3 now, so that's good. Let's look for, I don't know how, maybe they try to come up with something that's going to be very helpful for us. So 9 to 10 is going to be a game changer for sure. So let's take one step at a time. It should take a lot. Yeah, it is, bro. It's not a small amount, right? So I mean, remember, the firms have to survive in order to pay us, right? So we want to make sure they're all alive and doing well too. Lucid is taking it is, yeah, for sure it is, yeah. So they have to make some adjustments, right, to stay competitive. Yeah, 3 to 5 days. I mean, it does make a difference for me. It does make a little bit of a difference for me, I'll be honest. Not as significant. It's not like a life-changing difference, but I mean, still, it does make a difference for me. You know, that's like 2 days of extra 2 days of getting daily payout too. Okay, so guys, we're right back here into the 375. I wonder what this is going to be. Just kind of feels like a bull flag to me, but I want to just kind of make sure that we don't get a rejection of this level. We have a chance of getting rejection here too. So I just want to kind of make sure that we are able to hold this, right? We get a nice little, wow, man. We are literally back here. Okay, so far it looks like we are breaking up. Or should I try to man, I'm just you know what I mean? I'm like, I don't want to see a directional move.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Alright guys, I went short here. We're looking for that quick little move. Oh my god, no way. No way. Oh.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Oh man, are you not going to hit my TP here? Really? Are you just gonna straight to the moon? It's gonna be very disappointing if you do that, guys. Man, this is playing really hot to hit my TP right here. Not feeling very good about this, but oh boy, we're still here. You've got to absolutely be kidding here, guys. You got to be absolutely kidding me. Man, I mean, seriously, bro.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Oh man, I kept adding and I canceled. I kept adding and canceled. Wow. Yeah, 4 points, 5 points. That's it. And you know what? I almost got close. I mean, every time we try to do this, guys, I mean, what the heck, man? Looking for 5 points and we can't even do that. Really? Now, we've done that all throughout here. Wow, this is really playing hard to get. Man, again, the same thing. Back to break even. And going against me. Oh my dear. Oh my.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I mean, we're constantly sitting above the VWAP. Yeah, that's right. Trying to stay a little patient and look for a possible 7 points, give or take, just right underneath the VWAP. And even if we are going to get a bounce, I'm looking for that maybe a quick little rejection here, kind of give us a little fakey pullback, and we end up getting a bounce off the 380s, right? And that should be fine. Again, this does yes feel like a bull flag here for me. But I mean, the VWAP, you know, we every time we kiss VWAP, you know, we have a strong chance of a possible rejection of this level a couple times before we try to get another leg or say a measured move to the upside. So we get a bounce that could take us into the 440. So there's a chance I may have to take a little risk if we end up not getting a pullback here. I may have to take a little bit of a risk and try to scale in and look for a pullback right back into the VWAP. Oh my god, I had a chance there, guys. I had a chance. I had a chance to get out right there. You've got to absolutely kidding me, bro. Really? Again, another chance. Or I'll do a pretty close TP right into that 388, guys. That's 5 points pullback. Oh my god.
Order
There we go,
Order
guys. There we
filled.
go. This market does not want to give it to me, so I'm just gonna move back to the have a good night search and sub, man. Thank you, brother, for being here as always. We not got a nice little break to the upside. I'm still kind of looking for a little pullback here, but you know what, you know, we could also do something like this as well tonight, you know. I mean, let's not kid ourselves. We have a chance of doing this as well, so you know, Richard Dowdy, man, we all hate to be in that spot where it's barely pulling back, right? And you kind of got a little lucky to get out, and all of a sudden it dumps and do something like this. It's gonna be no fun. And this is what I was looking for, to be honest. That's why I went into mini contracts and looking for. Well, I took one off and I said, okay, well, let me try to see if I can hold on the other one and look for some move like that. Maybe I can try to do that with a micro, guys. What do you guys think?
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, so that's what I'm
Order
gonna try to do
submitted.
here, guys. See how it kind of goes. I'm gonna try to see if I can do a 3 to 4 mini contracts. Oh, sorry. See, there we go. You little bad boy, man. I knew it. You're such a meanie. right, guys, I'm gonna head to the washroom. I'll be right back in a minute. In the meantime, stay tuned. Giveaway right after this. Ah!
It's funny how things change in an instant. Doesn't take much thinking, but everyone can feel the air. Do you know I'm fading from you? I can't say it, I hate the truth. Boy.
Guys, I'm gonna go long here.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. 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 Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Man, I hope we don't dump here, man. Just we have a chance of doing that too. A lot of fakey moves. It does all the time, so
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order sub. Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
filled.
submitted.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Order filled. Order filled.
oh my god. Really?
Order filled.
Alright, that's it, 25 contracts.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
Order
canceled.
filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my god, I'm screwed, guys.
Order
Order filled. Order filled.
order
Order filled.
order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
It's gone.
Order filled.
Yeah, huge mistake, guys. Huge mistake.
Order
Order filled. Rejected.
Yeah, I'm porting right now. I'm porting on a pro account. Huge mistake. Gonna go now. I had no idea what the heck I was thinking, guys. I had no idea. Ah, shit.
Order filled.
Order filled.
So I knew we were gonna end up pulling back. I knew it. Oh god.
When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. We both know it right away. When I see you dancing, I know you're a 10. It's some kind of magic. We both know it right away. I came here to party, don't want it to end. Getting real ecstatic. I feel this vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need you.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's gone now. So
This vibe goes from my heart right to my fingertips. My fingertips. Oh, I need
yeah, I think we're just gonna do a manual lockout on this. So I don't want to end up losing this too. We'll do a manual lockout, guys. We don't want to. I don't want to. Yeah. Your last trading day of the month, and not a good idea. Not a good idea.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah, not good. Yeah. Man, now we're getting a bounce, right? Now we're getting a bounce. Look at that.
Order cancelled.
Fuck me, man. This always happens. This is a classic example of an oversized, right? We went 6 mini contract. Well, it's essentially 6 micro, 6 mini. Oh, sorry, 6 mini contract. That's what happened. So if I ended up holding that with 1 mini, that would have been a nice little golden trade. So this is stuff that you shouldn't do, man. Right, and that's exactly what the problem is. Well, what a nice, beautiful bounce, guys.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order
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 filled.
submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, so there we go. I did lock out on my Tradify for $170, $160 gain. That's up for another payout. The payout's gonna be $3,000 on that one, so maybe that's a good start to the month of this September. Maybe my maybe tonight's couple loss, maybe a good sort of a reminder to myself, right? Maybe it's a good reminder on how I'm gonna have to tackle the month of September, right? Just kind of make sure that you don't make those kind of mistakes that you did. So it's like when the market is really choppy, you're looking to micro scalp, and that may not work out because you are going to see this market try to break out in either direction. And just never know when the market's going to do that. So as when the market try to get a nice little breakout either direction, that's when the micro scalp does not, well, it end up getting hurt. That's what happened today. And another one is I oversized. Thinking that we get a bounce, but the oversized, you know, it's like if I was in 2 mini contracts, I would have survived that trade. But I ended up going 6 minis, so that, you know, that eventually becomes very difficult to survive, right? So we had two losing trade here today with losing 2 accounts. So well, from a grand scheme of things, it's not as bad, but I mean still I would say it's something that I shouldn't do. Oversizing is definitely part of the bigger problem. We'll try to fix that down the road. Try to kind of make sure. Man, it's been a while since I've actually done 6 mini contracts, I'll be honest. It's been a while because in the last couple, I would say 2-3 weeks, there's no trades that I've done 6 mini contracts. It's been a long time I've done that. So Yeah, the most I've done is like 3 mini during the New York session. I ended up blowing those accounts a while ago, but it's been a while. Yeah, so it feels good. It feels good, but yeah. You're only 18, Sir Pony. That was 6 mini contracts, bro. 6 mini contracts. Yeah. And I was looking for that quick little bounce so I can actually try to get out of my trade, but it just did not work out. This market just kind of feels like it's rolling over down again. Exactly what we said we are kind of a little concerned about. But we're getting a pullback, so... But you know what? Hey, it's okay. We're doing... I think so far, I honestly, I'm very, very grateful this month. Very, very grateful. Right, we're not getting a monster payout, but at the same time, we haven't spent too much, and I've kind of managed my risk. I would say, well, not the greatest discipline, but I mean at least better than the month of July, and better than the month of June. So I think the month of August, I stayed very humble. You know, tried to not, you know. I think I've been very patient for the month of August. I don't know if you guys were following me daily, but I've been very patient. So it's good in a way. No, this month I spent about 42. I think about $4,000 I spent. I stayed very humble this month. What's the payout I've got this month? I'm not sure. I think maybe about this month I think I got about I think I got about 18K. I would say about 80K is what I got this month. So it's like the smallest payout I've done in a while, right? Smallest payout, because last month I did 27. I did about 27 last month. You guys know on an average I have about give or take, my average month has been about 30K so far. My average month has been 30K. So I mean, you know, it's not gonna complain about everything that's going on this year, right? So the last month I spent a lot. Last month I was last month I think I spent about 9K. That's month of July, right? So that's a lot of yeah, a lot of expenses. Oh, man, look at this nasty pullback here in this. Well, man, look at this NQ just literally dumping here. So I don't know. In the month of September, what I'm looking at right now is my goal. To put things in perspective here, right? My goal is not to spend anything on, well, no, I lied. Thinking about spending about $400 on Take Profit Trader, $0 on Lucid, about $700 on Tradify, and about $350 on Funded Next, and about $300 on Blue Sky. So that kind of puts me at about little less than $2,000 next month. That's the goal. That's the goal, right? Of course, that doesn't necessarily happen the way we always think it is, but that is my goal for next month. I've already put down the number, and I was like, you know what? I want to see if I can respect this. You know, it's kind of important to do that sometimes. You know what I mean? To kind of remind yourself, put a little break and kind of go, okay, well, what if I spend only about $2,000? Then what is it gonna be? Am I gonna get zero payout? You know what I mean? Yeah, I put down 0 for listed because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to load in listed max accounts. You know what I mean? That's only if you're gonna have to start worrying about that only if you are a live trader with listed, because the listed max is only for the live traders. But I'm just not sure if I want to be spending $180 on a single max account. So by trying to get 5 max, you're essentially paying, I think, about $900 all in. So that's quite a number, right? So I'm trying to see if I can try to put listed on the sideline for the month of September. Try to put my attention into Take Profit Trader, Tradify, Funded Next, and maybe Blue Sky. You know what I mean? Of that sort of a game plan that I'm coming up with. So we'll see. I mean, if I end up getting a pretty decent sized payouts, you know, from any of these firms, then I'll try to put that money into listed max. But at this point, I'm kind of thinking maybe to try to be a very tight budget and see if I can respect this for the month of September, right? It is nice to do this once in a while, right? Because you still have to think about October, November, December. So I want to be spending more in Q4 and see if I can kind of slow down in the month of September, right? We'll see. Apex, I cannot load any accounts. Apex, I'm no longer what do you call this? I'm no longer eligible to load in any Apex accounts. Yeah, I think they're putting me to live. We'll see. Is the listed bonus only on your first time going live? Yes. And I got lucky because my first time live was with the 150k account. So the 150k account, I had a nice, beautiful $4,500 of bonus payout on that one. So got very lucky there too, guys. We got very lucky. And you know, I have to really thank you guys because I did not know that we had a bonus payout, by the way. So I took 2 payouts with listed. Which obviously I could have, been to the buffer if I did not take those 2 payouts. But I found out about that bonus payout a little later, and I had to kind of grind again. Luckily, I did not blow that live account. So we got to the buffer and we made to the bonus payout. Now it's $4,500 because I was trading on the 150k account, right? So
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
all right, guys, I went long. Let's man, this still looks weak overall, guys. This market, right?
Order submitted.
Still feels weak. Yeah, I like the funded next. Yeah, I like funded next. You know, anyways, at the end of the day, I think we got to find a way to diversify our portfolio. And I think it's kind of very important to do that, right? 2 years ago, I was stuck in one firm and that definitely became a problem. But now I've got like, I don't know, probably active firms. I probably have 5 active firms I'm trading. What do you mean? What's happening with gold? Is the gold pulling back? Oh yeah, the gold's pretty dead. The gold is pretty dead. No, I mean, I've got nothing against the top one. We just got too many firms out there to trade, right? I may trade top one. I'm not sure. I'm not at the moment though. I already have enough. We got Take Profit Trader. We got Lucid. We got Tradify. We got Apex. We got Billinox. We got Funded Next. We have Funded Futures Network. We got Blue Sky. That's enough for me. I think that's enough for me. Absolutely. You know, real estate Vancouver 2 years ago, how many firms were out there? You know. $10 hold. Top one is only 10 seconds. I mean, that's fine with me. I mean, we got 10-second rule with quite a few firms now, right? We have who again? We have we got Tradify 10 seconds, right? We got Funded Next 10 seconds, right? Lucid and Take Profit Trader are the only ones with no what do you call this? Minimum seconds to trade. Apex with the new accounts? I don't think so. Did they have that rule on the new accounts? I don't think so. I don't even know why I did that on that Take Profit Trader account, to be honest.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order submitted.
Are you gonna try to roll over down instantly right now? Is that what it is? Blue Guardian is a new rising. I don't know. I don't think. Well. What stock sale? I don't know about stock sale, bro. Guys, what the heck is going on with this market, man? You've got to be kidding. Are we gonna dump right here? We could. I mean, man.
Order
filled.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order cancelled.
All right, I'm looking for a little pop, and then that pop gets denied, and we end up pulling back and try to retest the low, and that's what you see. I've got my limit orders here.
Order submitted.
Oh, Alex, thank you, man. Thank you for using my code, and thank you to all of you for using the code Tiger as well, guys. Really appreciate it. It really means the world, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much to all of you for doing that.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we're gonna do a giveaway now for everybody. Let's go ahead and do that. You guys been patient. I did promise that I'm gonna do another one, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, guys. Good luck, everybody. If you guys are still here, let's go ahead and type in !Tiger, right, to get that ticket, and try to see if you can be the winner here tonight.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled. Order submitted.
Man, I'm just kind of maybe being very impatient here tonight.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh my god, 3 accounts blown tonight, guys. I think I'm gonna have to call it there. Incredible. I'm gonna close the entries here. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call out winner. Let's go. Man, we're getting a pullback now again. Yeah, I don't think I can trade anymore today, guys. I'm not able to put my focus onto the trading for some reason. So at least you tried. At least you tried, but it didn't work out. So I lost 2 launch accounts. That's $41, and I lost 1 pro. So the pro is a little expensive one, but The Blue Sky account is the launch account, the 50K launch account, which obviously is 50% off at the moment, right? So that's what I lost. How much is it? That's I think $41. I think that's 41. Is it 41 still? I think it's still. Yeah, it's 41 yet. Yeah, I paid 41. Yeah. This market is crazy. Natural Energy Tiger, I added 5 accounts to 35 and 1 will take from Twitter. I used your code Tiger. Thank you so much, Natural Gas. Again, I'm telling you, to all of you, for I want to thank you guys for using the code Tiger, TIGER, across all the major firms. Thank you so much, guys. All right, in the meantime, we are going to go ahead and call out the winner, guys. Thank you once again. Wow, man, I didn't realize I've been streaming for about 4 hours now. Where is the... Okay, so guys, let's go. Pick the winner. Good luck, guys. You got 45 seconds to let me know you are here with us, okay? Calling out the winner. Good luck. NQ Beast Mode, 45 seconds, brother. NQ Beast Mode. Yeah, I've been here for 4 hours, guys. Holy, I know. Real estate income, and that's quite a lot. Is Incubus mode here? Oh, looks like he is. Okay, he is here. All right, Bismuth, congrats, brother. Congrats, man. Okay. Yeah, in the meantime, guys, I don't think I can... I don't think I want to trade anymore. The market is very choppy. And because it is chop, I'm trying to oversize and I end up getting cooked. So not a good way to do this. So I lost 3 accounts today. 2 launch and 1 pro, which obviously was a very expensive account. But just, just one of those days where don't really have a lot of option other than accepting the fact that you got into losing trade day. So we'll take it as is, and we'll try to see if we can have a better day tomorrow, right? That's all we can do. So yeah, guys, man, I want to thank you guys for being here, man. Honestly, we always have tomorrow. Exactly, Natural Energy. So we always have tomorrow. We'll come back stronger tomorrow. Today, I think probably would have been one of my worst days in the last couple of weeks. So we'll try to have a better day tomorrow. Everybody, I hope you have a great rest of the day. I want to thank you once again for being here. We'll see you guys back tomorrow at the same time. Everybody, thank you. God bless, and see you right back here tomorrow, 5:45 p.m. Eastern time. Until then, everyone, have a great day and good luck tomorrow, guys, if you're trading in the morning. Thank you and goodbye. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. Bye.